Welcome to Quiz Falcon. This is the Christmas edition of Would You Rather, where every choice is a festive puzzle. Are you ready for some holly jolly chaos? Let's get this party started. Would you rather have colorful Christmas lights or white Christmas lights? What's your answer? Have a Christmas party at home or have a Christmas party at a restaurant? It's time to decide. Would you rather buy gifts in advance or buy gifts on Christmas Day? Remove decorations at the end of December or remove decorations at the end of January? Eat reindeer cookies or eat ornament cupcakes? You can only pick one option. Which one would you prefer? Meet Santa's reindeer or meet the Grinch's dog? Spend Christmas at home or spend Christmas traveling? It's a real challenge. Would you rather go look at Christmas lights or go caroling? Only give presents or only receive presents? Comment your choice below. Choose your Christmas gift. Like this video if you pick the right one. Would you rather spend Christmas alone or like this video? Wrap gifts with great effort or wrap gifts with no effort? Spend Christmas with friends or spend Christmas with family? What's your answer? Which one would you prefer? Receive a PlayStation 5 or receive a gaming PC setup? Would you rather make a snow angel or build a snowman? Which one would you prefer? Go out without a hat or go out without gloves? Be in a Christmas play or be in a Christmas parade? It's time to decide. Your wishes come true or your loved one's wishes come true? Which one would you prefer? A snowball fight with elves or a snowball fight with yetis? Lights sync to music or lights stay perfectly still? You can only pick one option. Choose Christmas lights. Like this video if you pick the right one. Get a handwritten letter from Santa or get a video call from Santa. Your tree topper is a star or your tree topper is an angel? Would you rather open a gift before Christmas or never open a gift early? Hot chocolate with marshmallows or hot chocolate with whipped cream? Christmas crackers with jokes or crackers with small toys? It's a real challenge. It snows on Christmas morning or it's sunny on Christmas morning. Which one would you prefer? See Santa in a mall or see Santa in your home? Sing alto in the choir or sing soprano in the choir? Comment your choice below. Would you rather have a gift card for Christmas or a mystery box for Christmas? Be an expert gift wrapper or be an expert cookie decorator? Every gift you give is returned, or every gift you get is returned? Ride a one-horse open sleigh or ride a magical flying reindeer? What's your answer? Your stocking is full of candy or your stocking is full of fruit? Which one would you prefer? Have to eat all the leftovers or have no leftovers at all? Your Christmas movie is a rom-com or your Christmas movie is an action film? The fireplace is always roaring or the Christmas music is always playing? Would you rather your mittens are always wet or your scarf is always itchy? Santa eats your cookies or Santa drinks your milk? It's time to decide. Would you rather find the Christmas pickle or find the silver bell? Be on the cover of a card or write the message inside a card. Christmas morning is quiet or Christmas morning is chaotic? It's a real challenge. So, which choice was the absolute hardest for you? Share your toughest pick in the comments below.